It is the Burton European Open here in Laax.
You're watching The Blizzard. I'm Noel Reynolds. It's the shittiest show on earth.
Hello, welcome to the BEO 2015. It's been going on for a few years. We're going to try and sneak into the riders area. I'm going to probably get refused, but I'm going to give it a go. That was super easy. So we're here at the backstage. They drop in there, they hang out here. They got everything tuned up. The tech squad. Yeah, it's going to annoy people with my hangover. What happened today?
We went boarding.
And
We also had the Burton European Open Slopestyle finals.
And what happened?
Speed was tough, massive field, and somehow I fluked it and managed to come out on top.
So you won.
I believe so, yes.
Do you know what the? Do you know if you didn't win, you know what you would have had to do?
What's that?
You would have had to go on a date with me.
Oh wow.
That would have been awful.
Well, if you told me that before, I wonder if I would have, you know, how it would have gone then.
Probably not, because I think you're already drunk by talking to me with the smell of booze off my.
Yeah, you're not lying there.
Fucking aye.
Good chat.
Awful. And now it's time for another tour story. A tour rag story. A tour story. A story about being on tour. You get that drift.
Well, I was in the sauna and swimming pool the other night, you know, just relaxing a little bit after a hard day's work. And pretty well-known, pretty good rider who's starting here, walked into the swimming pool, took his trunks off and jumped into the pool naked because he believed already in the swimming pool area you have to be naked. And all the people there, all the like, you know, OIPs, kids were looking at him like, what the hell is that all about? And he basically was in the pool naked. I walked out at some part of the pool in my trunks. He looked at me and was like, hey dude, can you pass me the towel? And that's that.
Naked times. Actually did. Henry Jackson said somebody will get naked. Who was it?
Well, that's a secret.
So he's just told us who it was, and it was Naked Times in Laax. I'm from Slopestyle winning to one piece, one trick. This boy is Paul Chevrolet. I really got his name wrong. It's French. I can't even speak English most of the time. He's been rolling around with the Gremlins crew in a cloud of jar.
It's Paul Chevrolet. One piece, one tricks, bro.
Career winning. You're getting used to winning.
I'd like to.
Keep winning.
I'm gonna try my best.
What's the first drink you're gonna buy at the bar?
I don't know.
Is it for me?
Maybe, if you're the first person I see.
I'm hunting down that 10% from you.
Sip from here.
Alright. That's it for the day. We've had the sickest time here in Laax. We've had powder, we've had some of the world's best riders. Stala won. Tune in next and we'll have the pipe winning run and a couple of other jackassing around here in Laax. Thank you, Burton, so much for having us. Hope you'll have us back. See ya. Burton European Open. I am a total knob jockey.
Hi.
Tell me your funniest joke.
Yeah.